Adjust head height. Gluing method for conveyor belt. 2 workers are required to place steel pipes onto the conveyor belt while 1 worker pours glue evenly onto one side of the steel pipes. Start the conveyor belt at a low speed, then use tools to spread the glue so it distributes uniformly over one side of the steel pipes. Usage of the water tank. Connect the water tank to power and open the water inlet valve and return water valve when cleaning the conveyor belt. Correction methods for conveyor belt deviation. When the conveyor belt deviates, adjust both sides simultaneously to correct the offset. If the conveyor belt drifts to the left, tighten it downward and loosen it to the right. When the conveyor belt drifts to the right, loosen it upward and tighten it to the left.